और दोस्तों, मैं अनुज कुमार आपका एग्री अड्डा सक्सेस पॉइंट के यूट्यूब चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं। मैं आपके सामने उपस्थित हुआ हूं एग्रोनॉमी जीआरएफ का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेकर। समय ना बर्बाद करते हुए जस्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डोमिनेंट क्ले मिनरल प्रेजेंट इन रेड सॉइल, राइट आंसर इज अ कायोलिनाइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स पेयर इन आरएनए, राइट आंसर इज अ थर्ड, adenine and uracil. Next question, right answer is fourth. Next question, an example of the simplest carbohydrate, right answer is 4. Which stage are the most sensitive to water deficient in groundnut, right answer is flowering and pegging. Next question, husk and drugs is the economic part of which of the following plant, right answer is isabgol. This is a medicinal plant. Next question, drug used for the cure of constipation and dysentery is originated from which of the following crop, right answer is Plantago ovata. Next question, the most widely accepted theory for innocent of shape in 3, right answer is transpiration pool and cohesion theory of Dixon and Joly. Agroecological regions are there in Indian according to ICAR, right answer is 20. Next question, a formulation of herbicide generally not diluted and supplied ready to use is called, right answer is ULV. Next question, what will be the weed control efficiency if the number of weed in coldinophone treated plot is 190 per meter square and that is the control plot is 361 per meter square, right answer is 3 is the right answer. Next question, integrated use of phosphatic fertilizer and organic manure crops reduce increase phosphorus use efficiency by reducing phosphorus fixation in soil. Reason are decrease in phosphorus fixation in presence of organic matter in soil may be humic complex that are easily assimilated by plant and formation of coating on the surface of sesquioxide particles, right answer is both A are correct and R is a correct explanation of A. Next question, nitrogen concentration in the atmosphere, very common question, is 78%. Next question, under inter-row water harvesting, the furrow of the about 30 to 40 semi width depth of dash are alternated by ridge of 60 to 70 semi, right answer is. Next question, wildest region of atmosphere, right answer is mesosphere. Next question, statement 1, plant can tolerate drought either by mitigating the actual stress or by showing a high degree of tolerance to stress. Statement 2, plant tolerate the stress by showing resistance to dehydration and by preventing leaf collapse permit the plants to maintain a high internal water potential in spite of the drought condition, right answer is third. Statement first is true but statement second is false. Statement third is right. Next question, statement first, acid sulfate soil is formed due to formation of xeriside, Statement second, acid phosphate soil is found in Himachal Pradesh. Right answer is third. Statement first is correct, but statement second is incorrect. Next question. Match the following. 1920 is the first Royal Commission on Agriculture. That means option number A is right. Next question. The amount of Besalin 45 EC for a plot of 15 meter into 40 meter at the recommended rate of flucloraline at the 0.75 kg per hectare is 0.33 kg per hectare. Next question. What is the efficiency of sprinkler irrigation? Right answer according to NTA 70 to 85. Next question. Which of the following pair is not the basic races of sorghum? Right answer is fourth. Next question. A commercial bioherbicide for the control of sorghum helipens. Right answer is bipolaris. Next question. Statement first. In case of pre-emergence herbicide, less droplet size is effective, and for post-emergence herbicide, bigger droplet size is desirable. Statement second. More the size of droplets, less the chance of herbicide drift and less herbicide activities. Right answer is fourth. Number 1 reagent consists of mixture of. Right answer is first. Next question. The ratio of average depth of water stored in root zone soil depth during irrigation to the water diverted from the reservoirs is known as. Right answer is second, project efficiency. Next question. Right answer is first. Next question. In C4 plant, Kelvin cycle work at. Right answer is first, stomata of bundle sheath chloroplast. Next question. Harvesting time of burro and us rice in carried out during. Right answer is third, summer and rabi. Burro harvested in summer and us harvested in rabi. The Millennium Ecosystem Assessment was launched in the year. Right answer is first, only A. Next question. Of heat in the lower atmosphere due to absorption and re-radiation by cloud and certain gases. Statement second. The anthropogenic greenhouse gases effect is the result of the accumulation of trace gases in the air from human activity. Right answer is first. Both statements are right. Next question. Earthing up is needed in sugarcane under which of the following planting system? Right answer is third, flat bed and planting, most commonly used in North India. Next question. Optical sensor used for real-time precision of nitrogen management in agricultural crop is. Right answer is second, green seeker. Next question is, how much area can be irrigated with a flow rate of 30 liters per second for 10 hours a day when irrigation required of the 100 days duration crop is 5 semi? Right answer is third, 21.6 hectare. Next question. Domestication of sheep was started during. Right answer is first. Next question. RGR is equal to. Right answer is fourth. NR into LR. Next question is a xerophatic weed. Right answer is first. Next question is the main objective of integrated weed management is. Right answer is third. Maintain weed below the threshold level. Next question is a phenomenon in degradation process wherein the intermediate product of herbicide proves more phytotoxic than the parent compound. Right answer is first. Reserve metabolism. Next question. Indian Meteorological Department has been using long range or seasonal forecast for the southwest monsoon rainfall during June-September since. Right answer is fourth. 1886. Next question. Statement first. Plant absorb nitrogen from the soil solution as nitrate and as ammonical ions. Right. Statement second. Content of nitrogen is healthy plant range between 1 to 5% depending upon the species or variety. Right answer is first. Both statements are right. Next question. Magnesium is the component of. Very common question. Chlorophyll. Next question. Quantity of seed required for sowing direct seeded rice in 10,000 square meter area at a spacing of 20 centimeter into 5 semi if 1000 grain weight is 20 gram and germination and purity is 90% each. Right answer is third. 22.2 kg. बी का फर्स्ट और आपका हो जाएगा सी. डी का हो जाएगा सेकेंड. समाप्सित रेक्टेंगुलर लो बस. डी का सेकेंड. राइट आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट. सी थ्री वीड्स such as Avena fetua, Phalaris minor and Chenopodium album are generally more competitive than C4 weed, especially at higher temperature condition. Statement second. In C4 weed, photosynthesis occur via the Kelvin-Benson cycle and the first stable product is phosphoglycerine acid. Right answer is second. Both statements first and second are false. Tembotrione has been registered in India for its use in. Right answer is second. Maize. Next question. Right answer is third. A का first, fourth. Relative humidity, this is a unit of relative humidity. B का second. Next question. Which of the following is not the classified form of conjugated protein? Right answer is fourth. Complete proteins. Next question. Statement first is liming of acid soil with limestone and or basic slag help to neutralize exchangeable aluminum and increase pH of soil to desired level. Next statement second is over liming of acid soil has adverse effect on soil nutrient availability, particularly of micronutrient like Zn, Cu, iron, manganese and copper growth and crop growth, sorry. First, both are correct. Next question. The maximum permissible slope percent for furrow irrigation shot near horizontal furrow is, right answer is second, 0.5%. Next question. Assertion A, nickel is essential for the function of urease enzyme. False. Reason R, nickel help in breaking down urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. Right answer is second. Both A are correct, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Next.